Imran Hashmi becomes synonymous with his serial killer image during the phase of his career, but Avara Pantu chose to leave the kisses out. The sequel, starring Imran Hashmi and Disha Patni and directed by Nitin Kakkar, has already crossed the 100 crores India net mark its first week. The film also gave Hashmi his career best opening, earning 22 crores on day one, and become his first solo hero film to cross 100 crores milestone. But while the numbers have been gripping headline, one question has also been doing the rounds: how did an Imran Hashmi film go without even a single kissing scene? Avada Pantu writer Bilal Siddiqui has the answer. Speaking to NDTV, Siddiqui revealed that leaving out the kissing scene was a conscious decision. It was a conscious decision, yes, so Avada Pantu also did not have it, Siddiqui said. But according to the writer, the bigger reason was Shivam emotionally journey in the sequel. The character played by the Hashmi is still deeply connected to the memory of his late lover. Now that people have seen the film, they would know that it would be kind of unfair of the character to kind of throw that is Siddiqui explained. It would be just look contrived. Siddiqui believes Shivam relation with his late lover has involved for the beyond romance. Shivam as a character at some level still holds his lover who passed to that pedestal. Where is he not completely ever going to move on? He said. She has transcended from just being his love, she became his strength and almost like a guiding force. And that change what Shivam is looking for. His priority is not necessarily moving or romantical. He got a larger fight to fight, Siddiqui said. So where did they leave the possibility of the romantic kissing scene? I think as kissing as all that never come into mind at all because we did not find an organic way to lead to that with his character, the writer said. The makers were also aware of the audience expectation attached to Hashmi. I know what people expect to Hashmi, Siddiqui said. But the writer has a cheeky answer for those waiting to his Hashmi return to his trademark territory. I guess he do it in other films. For Avada Pantu, though the decision was clear, the kiss was never needed because the Siddiqui put the Shivam has the larger fight to fight. Stay tuned for the latest update. Don't forget like, share and comment and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.